This video is a step-by-step simple guide on how to start copy trading and making money in the market without placing the trades yourself. Yes, it is possible that even if you don't know how to trade, you can just create your trading account, connect your account to someone who is already making money, and then when they make profits, you get part of the profit as they do. Okay, so this is what is called copy trading. Now, copy trading has been there for a while. And there is a reason why most people are not really sold into the idea of copy trading, because it is very hard to get successful traders. But in this video, I'm going to show you step by step what you need to do if you want to become a successful copy trader, or if you at least want to make some money as a copy trader, right? So the step one is downloading a copy trading software, right? So there's a lot of copy trading softwares that you can find out there, right? You can find eToro, you can find a lot of Fastball, you can find, but one of my favorites is CTrader. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I just use CTrader a lot in my trading nowadays, and then I found out that they have good copy trading features that they offer, right? Now, for you to use CTrader as your copy trading software, you need to connect your broker's account to CTrader, right? Now, there's different ways that you can do this, but the easiest way is to create an account with Deriv. And when you create an account with Deriv, from the Deriv website, there is a button there which you can click, and then you go directly to your CTrader platform. Or you can just download the CTrader platform, or first go to your accounts, then add a new trading account, and then you can add your details right there, and then you create your account, right? Now, here's the thing, right? Some brokers are going to allow you to copy trade. Some brokers are not going to allow you to copy trade. Some prop firms are going to allow you. Some firms don't, right? So if you look at this is the CTrader platform, right? So here's what is called copy trading, right? So if you go to this part right here, if you click on these three dots right here, right? This menu here, you are going to see that there is a button which says copy, right? If you click on that button which says copy, right, this is going to pull out all the traders that are on CTrader and that are allowing other people to copy their trades, right? Now, if you move to the right side here, you can see that there's here where it says strategies, right? Now, you need to understand that what kind of strategies are being used right here. Now, 90% or more of the people that are putting out their strategies right here for others to copy, they are using trading robots. Yes, they are using trading robots, because you can create a trading robot directly on CTrader, and then if it is profitable, you can deploy it and you can let others copy that trading robot, right? Now let's look at how do you choose the safe trades, a good strategy to copy right here. Now what you can do is, on this you can see there's a graph right here. This graph shows you the equity or the gain that these strategies have been getting, right? Now, for most people, what they will do is they will just come here and look for the graph that looks like it's going all the way up, right? So I'm not against any of these people right here, but I'm just going to give you an example, right? If I click on the first one right here, it shows you that return on investment over all time since this strategy has been put there is 225%, and there is more than $2.2 million invested into this strategy only. There are more than $2.2 million that have been put into this strategy. You can see the deposits, $3.9 million, right? Withdrawals, $5.5 million, right? So you can see a lot of how people are using this strategy, right? Now, you can, down below here, right, what you want to check right here is the history, right? If you check the history right here, you are going to see how this strategy has been performing and how much money it has been making, right? So you can see, as I can see right here, this strategy, it looks like it is a trading robot, and it doesn't have a take profit or a stop loss, right? You can see that it's making like $231 return, 7,200, 200, 8,000, 4,000, 2,000, whatever it is right here. You can see the realized profit for this current month is 69,000 that this have made, right? So also you have to know that there is like $1.7 million on the market, right? As I said in our previous video, you need a lot of capital to make a lot of returns. So there's almost $1.7 million that have been is the balance, and then the profit is only 69,000. So the profit might be small, but there's a lot of people making money from this strategy. So this is what you want to be looking for, right? You can also look in these graphs, right? Monthly in January, how much money was made, how many trades were winning trades, how many trades were losing trade. So you can see in January there were more losing trades than February they got more winning trades, March more winning trades, May has been profitable, and now we are getting into June, right? So this is one of the strategies that you can copy, right? Let's take another look at another strategy, because I'm looking for something that most people don't look for, right? So if you want to copy trades, you don't want to just look at the returns. Like you can see someone having like a 16,000% return, right? You can see someone having like a 16,000% return. But if you look into their strategy itself, you can look into this graph and you can see how much the drawdown we got right here, how much of a drawdown that you got right here. So if you had started, if you had joined right here, there's probably a time where you had probably lost almost 7% of your initial investment. Now, you can see that this strategy, of course, they are making a lot of money, but there's also bigger drawdowns. So you have to look for things like that, so that if you are using, let's say, a proper account, you are using like a PropFirm account, you don't want to be getting into a strategy that have a lot of drawdown, right? So this is basically how you copy trade. So now if you want to start copy trading this one, okay, so let's say I take the first one right here. I think I really liked this one. It had steady growth, right? So if I click start copying right here, there's this window that is going to come up right here. So this window is going to tell you, okay, you are copying from this account, so you can change this account from this one to this, or you can change any of your accounts that you have, right? So if your broker doesn't allow copy trading, it's gonna tell you, right? Now you can tell it how much money you want to put into this strategy, right? From your initial capital, how much do you want to be putting into this, right? So I can say here I want to invest $1,000 into this, right? So performance fee, I'm going to pay 20%, right? So if you copy trades from someone, right, if the trade make $100, right, the owner of the strategy is going to put a certain percentage. In this case, it's 20%. So that means for every $100 that you make in profit, the owner of the strategy is going to take 20% of that, right? Once you do that, right, you can click here, start copying, right? You can click here on start copying, and then if you click that, you can start copying, right? So in this case, my account, which is the FX2 funding account, is not allowing me to copy trades, right? So as I said, if you really want to copy these trades, right, you have to create a deriv account, right? I already have another deriv account that I do have, but for the sake of making this video quick, I am not going to show everything, but you can copy these trades from these platforms right now. The other thing that you can do with this platform is that if you do have your strategy and you want others to copy it, right, you just go where it says, so if I do this, right, just to go where it says copy. So let's just click here, and then it says copy, right? You can click here where it says become strategy provider, right? And then you are going to name your strategy minimum investment that you want people to deposit if they want to use this strategy, and then is it visible for everyone, or you want to do it privately with your only small inner circle, or maybe you can show positions to everyone or only your investors, right? And then you can describe what your strategy is all about, and then you click create, become a strategy provider, and you can also provide strategies for others to copy, right? So this is how you get started as a copy trading. Now, I just did this video as a quick video, but if you really want me to get into a full detailed step-by-step guide or step-by-step course of how do you start copy trading, if you want to copy other traders, and how do you become a strategy tester if you want to become a strategy tester, then I'm going to create that video. All I want is for you to let me know in the comments if it is a good idea or if you really like more of this type of videos. Now, if you want to get free signals, I post free signals on my WhatsApp. Just make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.